Hello YouTube. Today we're working on the Jeep Gladiator again. We got some rugged ridge door entry guards that we're going to install. Pretty simple process. What we're going to do is take a little alcohol and a rag and clean up this area. Make sure there's no grease or wax on it. Once we got that done, these are put on by double-sided tape. So we're going to remove that now. And that's just press and stick. Get it centered about where you like it. Push it down. And that's all there is to it. Move on to the front one now. It's quite a bit bigger. Do the same up here at the front. We're going to clean it off with some alcohol again. And if you'll notice on this one, it has a little square here. It goes over this right here. Again, you got your double-sided tape in 3 places this time. I want to remind y'all, if y'all haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel to help that out. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I bought all this stuff with my own money. And this goes right over where I showed you that square bolt was. Press it down. And voila, your door seals are protected. Protect that new fresh paint. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Help me out. Thank you.